Okay, seriously, it's been like 15 minutes and he's still sitting here. Red, blue, green, yellow.
Oh, there she is.
Blue.
You ready?
Yeah, ready, Scotty.
What are y'all doing?
You're gonna go get your laptop and we're gonna play some Linear.
Oh. You got nothing in here.
This is the box. Sure as hell not the bag.
Chocolate. It's Saturday night. Woo, we're gonna go crazy. Eat some chocolate, drink some fizzies, and play a wild, crazy online game. What do you think, Bobbie?
I asked her if she wanted one, she said no.
You didn't want to drink right?
Alright, well, I'll come back in about 2 days when you're still going to be doing this. Okay? Bye.